Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we have some different unboxing, different kind of unboxing. So I have bring it one Rolex watch from the website. Okay, so this is the packaging which I got today only. So let's unboxing the same, and we'll explain you how the Rolex watches look alike and what are the important feature and how premium it was the watch which we have heard till now. So this is the box basically. We got it. Okay, and this is the watch. Okay, and this is the box, and we'll see how we can do the same. Yeah, so this is kind of a Rolex tuning is there. Okay, in the box. I'm opening the box now. You see, this is the cloth which is the bottom here. It is mentioned as a Rolex. Okay, and we'll see what else we can get it. So it's a kind of a Rolex legacy, and there what different types of watches you can able to see in this particular calendar. Okay, what is the originate, who is the author of the Rolex. Okay, and there are different variant you can able to see in this particular pouch. Okay, and also this was a small kind of a case we got it. Here we can see the documentation also. If you see, distributor Agmark of Rolex. Document is play a very important role, especially this kind of brand actually. Yeah, and this is a full 1 year warranty card, official chronometric certification from the Rolex. See, okay, so this is a certificate which we got it. Okay, in the box itself. So Rolex is a pretty much a promising brand, especially in the case of watches and different accessories which they have provided. Okay, and also, yep, and this is a international guarantee card from the Rolex itself. If you see below, this is a serial number written over here. This is a serial number. And now I'm just opening the watch box now. It's a kind of a, this is a tag which I found in the box itself, Rolex tag. And now I'm opening the box. See, I got this kind of box. Okay, so I'm opening the box now. Yeah, see, this is the watch. If you see, yeah, this is the Rolex watch. Okay, if you see, yeah, and this watch name is Rolex Daytime for 40. That is a watch name, and it's a 18K white gold watch. If you see, there is a round dial. Okay, round dial is there, and the below there is a diameter is around 40 mm. And the Roman numbers are there in the below in the under the dial. Okay, so this is the watch. This is the box. Yeah, so I'm unwrapping the same. Whatever the plastic is wrap here on the watch, I am removing that, and we'll see how it is look alike. Lovely. The feel is pretty much awesome actually. Yeah, so now I'm opening this kind of portion from the above side. We'll see. If you see, there is a badging of green color on the inside of this particular dial. Yeah, and simply this watch is look like a very premium in hand. Yeah, so I'm unwrapping this plastic. I have unwrapped already from this side. Okay, see, it's a green dial, it's a round dial, green dial, the green dial kind of a watch, and Roman numbers are there on the inside actually. See, and this is the diamond cut design on the round shape. Okay, and it's a 18 karat white gold watch. So let me open this one as well. So okay, I have unwrapped this plastic as well. See, ultimate experience, I would say. It's an ultimate experience. Yeah, so I have totally unwrapped the things. Okay, unwrapped the plastics, and see, this is the watch. Now it's look alike. We'll see how it is look alike in my hand. It's simply marvelous. See, this is the brand, this is the Rolex. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for a more exciting video, okay, from this channel. Thank you so much. Do like, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you. Bye.